Hey guys, okay, so I am back on keto. Fell off for about 3 months, believe it or not. But you know, it happens to me every year. This is my third round of keto. All right, and I started 2 days ago. So the first 2 days are the most difficult. And so what I did yesterday was I wanted some salsa. This has less than 1 gram of sugars. It's 2 carbs per 2 tablespoons. So this is spicy enough for me to only have 2 tablespoons, or if I wanted to double it up, that's only 4 grams of carbs. I'm probably going to stay at about 30 grams of carbs this round because I gained 6 pounds when I was off. So, yeah, so I'm going to stay at about 30. I kind of found that I lost too much weight, which is a great thing about keto, as you can lose weight really, really quickly. So I just felt really too, I don't know, from my other videos, you can see I was just kind of getting too thin, which, yeah, you guys are going to hate me for saying that, but yeah. So I don't want to go 20 grams of carbs per day. I'm going to go 30 this round and see if that's a more weight that I want to be at. Okay, so here we go. What I did this morning is I made some bacon. I still have a couple strips left. I ate 2 strips of bacon this morning with my keto coffee. And I have 2 strips left over, so I might sprinkle that on top, like dice it up and sprinkle it on top. But I'm using the same pan as my bacon pan, so it has the grease or the drippings. So I'm just going to do the broccoli, top it off with some cheese, and it's going to, rather than it being steamed broccoli and really soft, it's going to keep its texture, and it's going to have crunch. And I'm going to just dip these into my salsa and kind of replace my chips with broccoli, cheesy broccoli with bacon flavor, and the chopped bacon on top, if that's what I am going to end up doing, but I'm not sure yet. Since it's already cooked, I'm not going to do it before I place it into the oven. What else? Okay, so here I'm using a Mexican blend. I don't remember what the carbs are in this. The carb count is, oh good, less than 1 grams of carb per quarter cup. All right, awesome. So 0 sugars. Sorry, it's kind of sliders there. So yeah, you can, all you're getting is the fat from this, which is awesome and amazing. Let's see what else. That was it. So yeah, when I came home really hungry from going grocery shopping last night, I wanted to have some chips with salsa, but obviously can't do that. So I had broccoli with salsa, and that was really a really great snack. And then I had a string cheese as well. And it was just, I'm a big snacker, so that just, I love to snack, and that was it really fulfilled my snacking pleasure. So, all right, so I'm going to throw this into the oven at 360 degrees for about, I would say, 12 to 15 minutes, and I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. Okay, so it just came out. I had it in there for 12 minutes. Again, I have a convention oven. Let me turn this off. I forgot to turn it off. Anyway, so it cooks much faster. But anyway, so yeah, you might want to adjust your time just a little bit. It just came out a little bit more golden brown than I would have liked it to, but it's still looks very delicious. Okay, so what I was going to do first is measure out my salsa so you can see what 2 tablespoons of salsa looks like. And that would be 2 grams of carbs. So that actually right there was 1 serving for me yesterday. Because again, it is very spicy. But I will show you just so you can see what 2 carbs looks like. It's so much salsa now that I'm measuring this out. It's a lot because it's actually pretty spicy here. So So yeah, so you just do that. You grab your broccoli. Oh. And I probably should have sprayed the foil, even though it should do its job on keeping it nonstick. But anyway, so that's just what I did. Then you grab, then you can chop the bacon bits on top if you'd like. If you want a little bit more bacon on top, a little bit more flavor, and you just dip it into the salsa, and there is your healthy snack in order to replace chips. That's been my biggest challenge, is replacing chips, because again, I'm a big snacker and I love to snack on chips and dip. So anyway, but I found this really tasty yesterday and really fulfilling. So next up, I will show you guys, let me see here, let me just give you a quick preview. We had this last night when we were having a sweet tooth, and this by far is like one of our new favorites, white chocolate sugar-free Jell-O pudding. You can check out our keto ice cream video, or I'm actually going to put it together a new one, an updated one on a different texture. Instead of just using heavy cream, I use half and half and heavy cream. So I'll get that together and put it up for you guys to see, but because it's actually very popular. We were gonna check out Halo ice cream, but it still has 5 to 6 grams of sugars in it, which I don't understand. What? I mean, I guess if you're going from regular ice cream to Halo Top, it's much better for you, but it still has sugars. So on a keto diet, we want to eliminate as many sugars as possible. You know, less than 1 gram of sugars per serving in whatever it is that you're eating. So okay, so that is it for now. Hopefully this helps you guys out. And I know I really enjoyed this yesterday. It still has a crunch. It's not soft. It's not steamed, which can get soggy if you have it over and over again. It just gets too repetitive. So this was really like a new way of having broccoli with salsa. All right, guys, that's it for now. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Yeah, so this is amazing to drink. This flavor is really, really awesome. I gave up Diet Mountain Dew, which used to be my go-to drink. It just started giving me really bad headaches pretty instantly after drinking it. I just had too much caffeine. And yeah, I was pretty much addicted to Diet Mountain Dew. But I gave it up because I wasn't feeling great about drinking it. And even when I was off of keto, I still drank diet soda. All right, so here are some flavors that I found at Walmart. They usually have the widest selection on sugar-free Jell-O pudding. Target has a few select. They usually only have like vanilla and chocolate. But our favorite used to be pistachio, but like I said, we just had the white chocolate last night, and it was amazing. It really, really felt like cheating. So I'll put a link to our keto ice cream, and you can watch my husband just whip it up together. It's really, really simple with using heavy cream, or you can do half and half, or half of half and half, and the other half with heavy cream. Anyway, so yeah, this was amazing last night. What else? I don't remember if I like this or not, so I just threw it in there. These come out to like $1 a box, and these are $1.27 for the bigger size. But we usually have 2 servings each. My husband and I, we'll have a quarter of what it makes in it. This one comes out to 6 grams of carbs. Let me see what these come out to. Yeah, this one's also 6 grams of carbs. The pistachio is 5 grams of carbs. This one is also 6. Maybe I went up on all of them. I don't know. Yeah, they're all 6. Oh, this one is 8. No, about 8 grams of carbs per serving. So didn't remember that about the chocolate one. We've also tried the double chocolate or the chocolate fudge. I can't remember what it's called, but it's a different type of chocolate. All right, so good to know. This one has more carbs than the others, and the pistachio was sold out at Walmart last night, so I'm not sure if it's just really popular now and they can't keep it in stock, or if it was discontinued. I'm not sure, but it's been around for years upon years. I'll add in my keto mini cheesecake recipe into my description, so you can check that one out. It has a chocolate crust using almond flour, if I remember correctly. Yes, almond flour. And it's really, really, it's pretty simple to make. If you're really craving cheesecake, it tastes amazing, like amazing. And that video doesn't have very many views, but oh my gosh, if you're craving cheesecake at all, you have to try that recipe. It's amazing. All right, I think that is it for now. Let me see. I'm already down a couple pounds since Monday. Today's Thursday, so I guess I've been on it for 3 days now. And I was cranky the first 2 days because of what we can't eat. So was my husband. Well, he was crankier probably yesterday than anything, but yeah, I mean, you do experience cravings the first, just like hardcore the first 2 days. And then, all right, I think that is it for now. I will continue giving you guys tips and some more keto recipes. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. Again, it's easier to make these videos and new recipes by actually doing keto again. So I'm really excited to come up with some new recipes. All right, talk to you guys soon. Bye.